Welcome to my Satsman tutorial videos. Now before I get started, I want to point out two very quick things to you. The first thing is you're going to see me glancing down there quite a bit, and that's because I'm getting old. Yep, it's true, I don't look it, but I'm getting old and I need my notes, and my notes happen to be there. So if you see me doing that, don't worry about it. I'm not going mad, I'm just going old. The second point is, before we dive into the content of this tutorial, I must make a quick disclaimer. I'm an individual affiliate with Satsman. I don't own it, I don't run it. I'm just trying to be as helpful as I can to people that came into Satsman because of me or because of someone that I introduced. So these are not official Satsman videos, they're just me helping you get set up and started. Why? Because I think Satsman is brilliant, I really do. And you won't see it, I'm pretty sure, when you first get started and when you first register. But after a while, you will see this building up and you will realize that this is 100% a wealth creating exercise. And that leads me on to the last part of this disclaimer. This isn't an investment scheme. It's about educating you about Bitcoin and the possibilities therein, and to reward you for coming onto this site, satsman.com, every day by giving you little bits of Bitcoin. And if you keep hold of those bits of Bitcoin, that they will grow into big bits of Bitcoin, and then you will thank yourself big time in the future for doing this. So that said, let's get on and get started. What we're looking at here on screen is the registration form. This video, this tutorial is all about getting registered and then verified on Satsman. Now the actual sign up process is dead simple. I'm not going to take you through this form and fill it in or anything like that. I'm just going to point out a few factors. So I'll wiggle my mouse around a little bit and just go through those with you. This is evidently first name and this is last name, and a username that you create for yourself. And as you can see, 3 to 20 characters, lowercase letters, numbers and underscores only. This will be your referral link. So it will literally, your link will say satsman.com, blah, 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 and then your username. In here, you pop your email address, and please, please, please use a good, proper email. Okay, so moving on, that referral code should be pre-populated, but if it's blank, go back to the person that introduced you to Satsman and say, what is my referral code stroke username? Mine, for example, is ProMag. Theirs will be something completely different. Find your country, drop down list here. Okay, there's mine, United Kingdom. And then optionally, if you want to, put your phone number in. It's not critical, but it's helpful if you do, in case for whatever reason somebody in Satsman needs to urgently contact you to help you out with an issue that you've encountered or whatever. Okay, and then you just click that create account button. I'm not going to click it now because I've already created my account. The big thing here is, do make sure you use a good email address. This is important, not some dodgy throwaway account you created 5 years ago and never look at. Why? Because you can't do anything on Satsman without verifying your email first. And once you click that create an account button down here, Satsman will send you a verification email. You must click the link in that email to verify your account. And quite simply, if you have not verified, you have no access. That's it. Now here's where people sometimes get stuck. After you've verified your email and you go to log in for the first time, and in fact, every time you log in for security purposes, Satsman will send you a 6-digit code. It keeps your account safe having this system in place, but it also means you absolutely, of course, must have access to that email address every single time you want to log in. And I assure you, once you get to understand what's going on here, you'll want to log in every day. I absolutely recommend you log in every day. And again, this will all be covered as we move forward. Don't just think, oh, I can't see the email, that's the end of it. It's likely gone somewhere it shouldn't have done. And this is largely going to depend on who your email service provider is. So first things first, here's what to do if you don't see that verification email. Check your spam folder. Check your junk folder. Check your promotions tab if you're on Gmail or something similar. Check whatever filtering system your email provider uses. The emails are being sent. The delivery rate is 100%. So what's happening is something has interfered when it's arrived with your email service provider. So whitelist any emails if you can that come from satsman.com. That tells your provider, yes, I want these emails. Please let them through. If you don't know how to whitelist an email, please don't ask me because I wouldn't have a clue. Just Google it. Put in a search term in Google that says, how can I whitelist emails in whatever, Yahoo, BT, whoever your email service provider is. It will take you seconds to Google it and find out, and then you'll know exactly how to whitelist if whitelisting is a process you need to go through. So, quick recap to bring this first tutorial to an end. Go to the registration page, that's what you're looking at here, and you should go there automatically, by the way, when you click somebody's referral link. If, by the way, for some reason it doesn't take you to this registration form, you'll see a sign up link somewhere on site. Just click that to get yourself an account started. Once you get here, enter your first name, last name, create a username, put a good email address in. The referral code should be pre-populated. And if you genuinely somehow found your way here without anyone introducing you, well then fine. Click I confirm I don't have a sponsor and you'll get assigned to an active founder member. Click here to put your country code in. Phone number is optional, but that goes there. Don't forget to put the country code in, whatever that is. Okay, mine is United Kingdom, so I'm leaving it like that. And then click create account. That's that orange button down the bottom. Here's a lot of orange on this site, by the way. Orange is a big color for Satsman. Does sound a bit like Satsuma, to be fair, so little wonder on that, I guess. So then you're ready to go. You've created your account. You've had the verification email. You log in. You get sent a 6-digit code, and everything is hunky-dory and good with the world. In tutorial 2, we will cover the mission brief or the mission process, which is a very fancy way of saying we're going to have a look at the thing that you have to click, which tells you all about what you do inside Satsman and how wonderful it is. That'll be tutorial 2. Right, that's tutorial 1 finished. Get yourself registered, get that email verified, and I'll see you in tutorial 2. And if you have any issues, any queries, any questions, go back to whoever brought you in. I'm sure they'll resolve them for you, even if it means they perhaps need to come to me or someone else to get the question answered. That's it. Enjoy your Satsman journey.